Welcome to PSG College of Arts and Science Admission Process 2025-26. To make the admission process smooth and hassle-free, the selection process is transparent and purely based on the merit marks of the candidate through the single window system for UG programs. Beware, the college has not appointed any outside agency or individuals to select students for admission. To apply for UG programs, click on the first icon to your left. The video guide will take you through filling up an error-free application process. If you are logging in for the first time, click on Create Account. From second time onwards, click on the Login icon. To create an account, kindly use candidate or parent's mobile number only. Read through and agree the terms and conditions and click the yellow color Next icon. An OTP will be sent to the entered mobile number. Please enter the OTP received in your mobile and click the yellow Verify icon below. Enter only the candidate or the parent's mail ID here. All communications regarding admission intimation will be sent only to this email address. Click the yellow Next icon below. An OTP will be sent to the entered mail ID. Please enter the OTP and click the yellow color Verify icon. Please enter a valid password and confirm the password. Kindly note down this password so that you can use during the next login visit. Click on the yellow Sign Up icon below. You have successfully completed the sign up process. Please log in now with mobile number and password. Enter the registered mobile number and password and click the yellow color login icon below. The application window is open now. There are 6 parts to be filled in application: personal details, community details, parent details, contact details, academic details, and special category. Enter the personal details of the candidate as printed in your 10th mark sheet. For queries, you can keep the cursor over the question mark symbol for detailed instructions. Enter your name only as printed in the 10th mark sheet without any errors. Enter your initial in the second line. Enter your date of birth in the date, month, and year order by clicking the calendar given at the right side. Enter your gender, nationality, and residential status by clicking the drop-down menu. Enter your 10th examination roll number and also your Aadhaar number. Upload a clear scanned copy of the 10th mark sheet and Aadhaar card with the specifications of the file as mentioned below, that is, in the JPG or PNG format. In community details, enter the community details by clicking the drop-down menu. Religion, community, caste, and community certificate issued by the relevant authority, enter it by selecting the appropriate item in the drop-down menu. Please click on the question mark icon in blue color to get detailed instructions on specific details. Kindly upload online digital community certificate issued by the Government of Tamil Nadu. Next, it is the parents' details. Enter the name, contact number, and occupation by clicking the drop-down menu of the father and mother. In contact details, kindly enter the address, name of the city or village, country and state by clicking the drop-down menu. Enter district and PIN code. Click Yes if your permanent address is same as the contact address. Otherwise, enter No and fill the permanent address details. Enter your primary mobile number and email address to which all the future communications will be sent from PSG CAS. Enter your nativity, whether you are from rural, urban or suburban area. In academic details, enter the 12th or diploma examination roll number. Please refer the hall ticket for the roll number. Enter the name of the school or college last studied. Enter the full address of the school or college in the location column. Enter the country, state of school or college by clicking the drop-down menu. Enter the district and pin code correctly. Enter the group type as academic or vocational group based on the subject studied in 12th standard. Enter the board of examination as TN Board CBSE by clicking the drop-down menu. Enter the school type as government, government aided or private school. Enter the medium of study in 12th standard as Tamil, English or other medium. And year of first appearance for 12th board examination by clicking the drop-down menu. Enter the EMIS number referring to your 10th or 11th mark sheet or 12th hall ticket. If not, get the details from the school. Upload your 11th mark sheet or 12th board examination hall ticket. If you don't have marks now and are awaiting for results, fill in all the sections below other than your marks. Click on I am waiting for my results button below. If you have received your results and have your marks already, click I would like to enter my marks, upload my marksheet icon. Enter the subject studied in 12th standard as given in your hall ticket or in 11th mark sheet. In special category, enter the special category details only if you belong to particular category and upload relevant certificates as mentioned. For clarifications, click on the question mark icon for detailed instructions wherever required. Kindly verify the typing errors, spelling errors, and check the correctness of data throughout the application form before submission. Click the Save and Continue Editing and check the correctness of data entered. Once the data is correct, click on the Verify and Pay button. Once again, your data will be displayed for verification. And if the data is correct, click the Mark as Verified button for all the sections. Next, choose aided programs or self-financing programs or both. Then, choose your preference of streams and view the eligible programs by clicking the View Programs button. Kindly note that you cannot choose specific programs, but you can choose more than one stream. Click on Agree button and click on Confirm button to pay the application fees. Click on Proceed to Payment button and the Confirmation button to move on to the next step. Read all the terms and conditions carefully and click on I have read and accepted the above terms and conditions. Then click on Pay Now button. Now you will be navigated to the payment site. You can use UPI, prepaid cards, debit or credit cards, and net banking to complete the payment process. After completing the payment process, the application number will be generated. You can also download the payment receipt by clicking the Print Payment Receipt button. With this, the first step of the application has been completed. After the 12th results are announced, you can log in to the application with the login credentials and click the Register with Marks button and fill the marks. Click the Upload button below to upload the provisional mark sheet or result copy. After uploading, click the Declaration button and click the Confirm Registration button to complete the application registration process. With this, your application has been registered successfully. You can print or download your application by clicking the Print button below the Action column. If you are interested to apply for more programs, click on Apply for More button and complete the payment process.